Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dissect corporate filings so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into National Healthcare Corporation's latest 8K filing. Get ready because it involves earnings announcements and exhibits. It's a bit like peeling an onion, but hopefully without the tears. First things first, this report is dated February 27, 2025, marking the day of the earliest event they're reporting. It's like the starting gun for the information race we're about to run. This report is about National Healthcare Corporation, also known as NHC. They're big in the healthcare world and are registered in Delaware. It's always good to know who we're talking about before we dig deeper. Moving on, they include their telephone number. While that might not seem exciting, it's part of the necessary details for official filings. Just in case you want to give them a call, probably not. This section has a bunch of checkboxes related to different SEC rules. Basically, they're confirming whether this filing is also covering other types of communications. In this case, all the boxes are unchecked, so we know it's a standard report. Here, they list the securities that are registered, which is just their common stock. It's important to know what kind of securities we're talking about because it affects who this report is relevant to, mainly their investors. Now we're getting to the meat of the filing. Item 2.02 is all about NHC's financial health. It mentions they released a press release about their December 31, 2024 earnings. A company's earnings tell the story about how well they did during the last period. Did they make money or lose it? This is key information for anyone watching the company. They officially announced their earnings from December 31, 2024. This press release is included as Exhibit 99.1. We can't see the exact numbers here, but we know it's about their financial performance, and that's a big deal for investors. Item 9.01 lists all the exhibits included with the 8K. This part is like the appendix of a book. It lists all the extra documents that support the main report. For example, Exhibit 99.1 is the previously mentioned earnings press release. It helps to show investors what the company is doing. Exhibit 99.1 is a copy of the press release about NHC's earnings that was issued on February 27, 2025. This is where we would get all the details about their financial performance, like revenue, profit, and expenses. Now let's put this all together and look at what it means for NHC. First, the good. NHC seems to be keeping up with their reporting obligations, and it looks like they had something positive enough to share in a press release. Now, without the full press release in front of us, it's tough to say for sure whether they're excelling. Also, we don't know much about the overall market conditions. If all the other companies in the healthcare sector did amazing and they only did good, that would mean they underperformed in comparison to other companies. There is a big limitation in the report. It is difficult to assess NHC's position without seeing the financial figures within the press release. We don't know if NHC is making gains or facing a loss, and we can't really judge how healthy the company is. So what's the final word on NHC? Well, based on this limited snapshot, it's hard to say definitively. This 8K gives us a glimpse, but the real insights are in that press release. Hopefully, the company can continue to deliver good financials. Thanks for tuning in to Corporate Decoder. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate filings. What company should we decode next? Let us know in the comments.